What up, Money Gang? It's your favorite money maker, Monique. And y'all, I've been trying to do Vlogmas. I don't know what day I'm going to drop this. So I'm going to just say happy Vlogmas. And y'all, this Vlogmas, I wanted to come and show y'all different crafts that I do. More than what I just be showing a lot of. I don't just be doing rolling trays. So the video, we're going to be doing party favors. So I got some labels right here for the water bottles. This is the label for snack wraps. For the fruit snacks. And let me show y'all the fruit snacks. These are fruit snacks. These are labels for the water bottles. These are little miniature water bottles. And these are the labels. These are the labels for the chocolate chip cookies. And y'all, I already did the chocolate chip cookies, but I'm going to show them to y'all. Hold on. So I already did most of the snacks because I didn't want to make the video long. I'm doing like 7 different snacks. I'm doing cookies, Rice Krispie treats, goldfish, fruit snacks, the Kool-Aid punch little packs for the kids, and the water and chips. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do some of them, but I had already did. So this was the cookies right here. This is how the cookies look. And no, I didn't make the design or the template. My client got the template off Etsy, I do believe. And I'm going to leave the link of the person that she got it from down in the description box, because I have to go to my email to get her name because I don't follow her. But she definitely gave me good instructions and everything on how to do it. And she linked YouTube videos to how to do it as well. So I may try to link them as well. I'm going to tell y'all now, in the Monique's One Style Workshop, it is booming right now, and I'm tired, but I really want to do Vlogmas, so I hope I get this video out in time. And let me show y'all the Rice Krispie treats one moment. So here go the Rice Krispie treats. I already done these as well, and I did 25 of these, and I already did the fruit snacks as well. But the goldfish. And here go all the goldfish. Alright, so she wanted 30 of each product done. So I'm gonna show y'all the paper that I'm using and the supplies that I'm using as well. Just in case y'all want to learn how to do it, or you want to do it for yourself, for your birthday party, or a special occasion for your kids, because everybody now like customized, want everything wrapped up now for their parties. So, yo, why not make money from it? You can make it a hobby or a business. Believe me, you will get customers. So the first thing you're going to need is a cutting board. Now, I use the cutting board a lot because I'm a one-man show. So when I sometimes got the silhouette going, I got to use this to keep the line going. You know what I'm saying? Got to keep the line going. But so like a few minutes ago, I had the silhouette cutting out some vinyl for a shirt, but I had to cut out the labels. So I used this to cut out my labels after I printed them. But yes, it's a one-man show. We don't let nothing stop us. We just keep rolling. It'd be what you call a little assembly line. I'd be a whole assembly line up in here. I'm about to show it to y'all too. So you will need some scissors. You can get bigger scissors. I usually just use these because I be cutting around like if you're having little strands of paper. And it's just real handy to come around, have near you. Also, you need some crampers. Some cereals that have the little brittles on it. If y'all can see what I'm talking about. To get it a little crinkly look at the end. Now, I don't have a cramper yet because I don't really get a lot of orders for this. So, The more I get orders for it, the more I'll get more supplies for it at the time. But while we talking about these, honey, yes, look at them. They the real deal old time ones. They work way better than these new ones. So I don't know what these stores doing, but please, can we go back to the old ones? Because, honey, I was having a time. And I'm going to show y'all my other ones that I have. Wait a minute. So, y'all, I have all these crampers right here. These are different sizes. And this one is by a different company than Friskers. Now, was just bought these for Micah's because these was not working good for me. And these work the same way as these. But these was higher than these. And I got two of these too. I just don't know what the other one is. They all have different, they do got two different lines, creations that they'll do. But y'all, my cousin was on the phone with me and she was like, I think I got some of them. My mama got some of them old ones in the bag when they used to sew and stuff. And I was like, girl, please go find out. And she did. And I was blessed with these good old timey ones. And it's thin. I don't know why they have it so fat around this part. And you got to cut paper. The paper be getting all stuck. So definitely get you some good shears with the zigzag lines. And I don't really, let me see. They call paper edgers. Gotta start using the proper words around here if I'm coming to talk to y'all. Try to teach y'all how to do these things. But yes, get you some paper cutters, paper edgers. But get some good ones, y'all. Get some good ones. Now, I haven't bought none from Amazon yet. Because like I said, I only get an order. I only did one. And I think I brought that to y'all. But if not, I'm going to show y'all a clip of the first ones I made so y'all can see the improvement. Because, baby, if you don't see it, I see it. Don't worry about it. Because we make money over here. And we get better at what we do. So that's that. And what you also going to need is paper. Now, I use two different types of paper. Well, actually, I use three different types of papers because I use this is just premium inkjet or laser paper. It's like more of it's in between cardstock and plain paper. So it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's just right. And I also use photo paper to give it a glow. And this I do get off Amazon. This is by Kool-Aid. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, Koala. I tried to make sure I was ready to prepare so I won't be stuttering and everything, because I misconstrue a word in a heartbeat. But yes, this give it the glossy look. In case you don't want the matted look. Now, I use this paper for the matted look. And I use this to give it the little glossy look. Now, I don't have anymore right now. Because I did use it all while I was doing the fruit snacks. I also use sticker paper. And I have some more coming. And they also by this company. So you can have sticker paper as well. And I'm going to use those for the juices. And I'll show you how I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the juices, the rest of the water bottles, and the chips. Alright, so let's get to it. I think. Oh, how I'm going to forget the one thing I do need. Glue gun. You can use a glue gun or you can use double tape. I'm going to be honest. I like the glue gun better than the double tape because I got a graveyard double tape right here, y'all. Like a graveyard of it. And it don't be working good for me. One thing I can say about the hot glue gun is when it do get cool and cold, if you use it, you know it's just rubber. And you can, to be honest, you may be burning your hand, but baby, it's going to do the job. And it's going to stick. But your hand may burn a little bit. You might be... But that warmness, it'll be all right. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of warmness. You know what I'm saying? Get a little tingle in your body. But y'all, I ain't gonna talk our head out. Let's go ahead and get in this video. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking on Little on Me. And don't forget to hit that bell and hit that subscribe button so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. And leave a girl comment in the description.
yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show.